Good morning, students. Welcome in our English class. And today we will complete chapter linkers. And we are on worksheet number 4. Look at the pictures of given below. Write at least one sentence about each, drawing a comparison between each pair of pictures. One has done as an example. Number 1, eco-friendly, cheap. These adjectives are used for bicycle. Fast, it is used for car. A bicycle is more eco-friendly than a car. A car is faster than a bicycle. A bicycle is not as expensive as a car. For comparison, we use then, as, and where, as. And in second pictures, we have a greenhouse and a modern house. And the adjective for greenhouse, green and clean. And modern house, modern. A greenhouse is cleaner than a modern house. A modern house is higher than a greenhouse. A greenhouse is as comfortable as a modern house. And third is television and radio. Television is more entertaining than a radio. Radio is more popular than a television. And radio is more portable than a television. And number 4, 5 and 6. This is your homework. And now we will discuss the worksheet number 6. Read the paragraph below, filling the blanks with appropriate linkers indicating time. And for time, the words are when, then, since, while. And the children had been enjoying the bright sunshine on the beach when all of a sudden it became very cloudy and dark. After about 15 minutes, it began to thunder. Then they looked up. They could see lightning in the sky. This was quite unexpected. It had been sunny since the work began, and there were no sign of rain. Frightened, they all rushed towards their school bus. They felt safe when they had gone inside. And worksheet number 9. And for worksheet number 9, we will read the following sentences, not the use of the commas. And I bought a fat, feathery parrot. After fat, comma. There are two adjectives are used for parrot. I made a big brown mountain. And the adjective used for mountain, big and brown. Commas are placed between two adjectives when they describe the same noun, and the word and can be put between the adjectives without changing the meaning. In the sentence given below, place a comma where it is required. Shelly is an adorable, cute kid. After adorable, we will put the comma. He lives in a beautiful, palatial house. After beautiful, a comma. We are organizing a huge Sunday get together. There are two adjective huge and Sunday, and after huge we will put the comma. He is very fond of roasted chicken sandwich. After roasted, put the comma. There are two adjectives for the sandwich, that they are roasted, and second is chicken sandwich. And the fifth is the children admire grandpa's gentle, patient, forgiving attitude. Here, the gentle, patient, forgiving, these are the adjectives. He looked commercial in his battered straw hat. battered. After batter we will put the comma. The children wandered into the thick dark forest. Thick and dark, these are the adjective, so we will put the comma after the thick. And do it yourself. The following passage is incomplete. Filling the blanks to make meaningful sentences. One has been done for you. Saransh was nervous because he knew he was in trouble. He wished for a way out. There wasn't any, but there wasn't any. When the school was over, he had stayed back in the computer lab to play games. He had lied to the lab assistant that he had the teacher's permission. But the teacher had told him to leave for home immediately. When the lab assistant discovered his lie, he reported the matter to the principal. Although Saransh apologized many a time, the principal was not convinced. He wanted to punish him. He asked him to come with his parents to school the next day so that they could be told about Saransh's indiscipline. Saransh felt miserable. There seemed no way out, so he kept thinking of ways to get out of the situation. And now, in the following passage, there is one word missing in each line. Put a slash where you think the word is missing and write the missing word in the space provided. One has been done as an example. I will let you go, but you will have to do something. This is the example. For me, I left for London for me, where we use the time when. When I left for London, I decided to keep my jewels in the bank. I left them here in the safe. I wanted to wear, but I wanted to wear them to a party. I have forgotten the key in London. So I want London / I want you to open the safe. That I know it is unsafe to wear jewels at party. When one is alone. It means when somebody is alone, this is not safe to wear the jewels at night. But I still compelled to do so. The only way you can leave, that is you open the safe. And thank you. Have a nice day. And in our next session, we will start our English literature book.